Hi, this is Stephen from Fluidra. We're going to go through the disassemble and reassembly process of the EQ series chlorinator. First, we will disconnect any probes or data connections that we have. This one has 4 screws that we have to remove. This allows us to slide the cover off. Exposing the ribbon cable, which we will disconnect. Pushing the tabs out. I'm going to go through removing the user interface on an EQ series. Now we will reinstall the user interface on an EQ series. Make sure it lines up. And that is the user interface. And now we're going to be removing the power PCB on an EQ series. You're removing cooling fan, cell connections, the pH pump connections, which are just there. And then the power and pump socket connectors. And finally the earth as well. With all the cables disconnected, we use a Torx key to take these all these screws. And that's how we free out power PCB for an EQ series. The reassembly of a power PCB for an EQ series. And to start with lining up your data ports to the right position. Once that's there, we can start putting the screws back on. Now that it is secure, we can start doing all the connections again. Start with the earth. And we start connecting our neutrals, both from our mains and for our pump connector, and our active from our mains and our pump active. And connect our pH pump plugs onto those 2 connectors. Now we can connect our cell. And finally, our cooling fan. So, finally, our cooling fan. Now we can reassemble everything together. In order to reassemble this, need to connect our ribbon cable onto its connector, and then to close it, we open up and then 4 screws back on. And that is the disassembly and reassembly of an EQ series chlorinator.